This cottage cheese mixed berry pudding packs 33 grams of protein, only requires 4 ingredients, and will actually keep you full while still satisfying those dessert cravings. I'll show you how to make it right now. Grab a high-powered blender or food processor. You can also make this recipe with an immersion blender. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese. You can use reduced fat, although it will be less thick. Add 1 cup of mixed berries. Both fresh and frozen work here, although be sure to rinse your fresh berries. Add 1/4 cup of plain whole milk Greek yogurt. And finally, add 1.5 tablespoons of honey. You can also use another sweetener like maple syrup. Place the lid on your blender or food processor, power on your device, then blend everything together until the mixture is completely smooth. It should only take a couple of minutes for everything to blend together. You might need to scrape down the sides in order to make sure everything gets blended. After scraping down the sides, finish blending it until you're left with a very smooth and creamy consistency. Take out a bowl which you'll eat your pudding from later and pour your mixture into the bowl. Seal it with plastic wrap, then place it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours, preferably longer if you want a thicker consistency. Once you're ready to enjoy your pudding, remove it from the fridge and add any additional toppings if you'd like. I won't be adding any for mine today. Then you're set to enjoy your cottage cheese mixed berry pudding. This pudding is perfect as a high protein breakfast, snack, or light dessert and will keep in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein dessert recipes. And please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another Flexible Feast healthy recipe.